Now I am gonna solve this example. Here liquid limit equals to 72.8, liquidity index equals to 1.21 and water content is 81.3. The question is determine its plastic limit and plasticity index. I have written the information and we know liquidity index equals to water content minus plastic limit divided by liquid limit minus plastic limit. Here liquidity index is 1.21 and water content is 81.3 minus plastic limit divided by liquid limit is 72.8 minus plastic limit. So plastic limit will 32.32. Answer. And we have to determine plasticity index. We know plasticity index equals to liquid limit minus plastic limit. Here liquid limit equals to 72.8 and plastic limit equals to 32.32. So plasticity index will 40.48. Answer. And the final question is comment on the consistency of the soil. So we have to determine consistency index. Consistency index. Consistency index equals to liquid limit minus water content over liquid limit minus plasticity index. Liquid limit equals to 72.8, water content is 81.3 and plasticity index equals to 40.48. So consistency index will minus 0.2629. And the question is write a comment. So the comment will when water content of the soil is higher than its liquid limit, then soil has no shear strength. And no firmness. Thus, consistency index will be negative. Okay, thanks for watching my video.